Hi, I'm Gerald Achilles. That is Gerald with a J and a Y, and I'm the director of the thing. So I'm in charge of keeping everyone on task and organized.
You need to cut! I want my mother! I want my mother! This is what I get for being an atheist!
Oh, this is such a waste of my time. Oh, is that recording? Can we just delete that? Hi, my name is Evangeline, and I'm an actress. I work in movies and stuff, and it's pretty fun, I guess.
Yep. I'm Anton Lawrence. I live by one philosophy. It's all about the babes. In fact, hey, Sweet Stripes. Yeah, you. How about you give me them digits so I can look you up sometime? We'll party hard, big city style. Yeah. You know who said that? Bob Ross, the director of the Titanic. Oh. The movie? Yeah, it's pretty chill.
What are you saying? I don't speak Chinese!
Alright, everybody, we are going to make a movie. I want this to be very professional and very smooth. Now, our producer has been very clear. We are not to go over budget. And... one second. Yes, hello. Speaking. Over budget. Wait, how are we over budget? I see, we never had a budget. You were just a supervisor. I see. Okay, well, thank you. Okay. Yes, will do. Thank you. Okay, that was him. He says we're, right on schedule. So, let's make a movie. So being a, relatively very young filmmaker, the, producer tends to keep a very close eye on you, and that comes with some challenges. Why did I take on this project? Well, I've always had a slight crush on, been desperately in love with Evangeline. Yeah. Alright, so more like this, and... alright, and then the shark can come up like this, and yeah, that's better.
Seriously, man?
Huh?
You gonna disrespect this lovely lady?
No, I was just...
Ma'am, is this nerd
Huh?
bothering you? See what you did?
What?
Dude, get out of here!
Go.
Jesus Christ!
What's his problem? She was having fun and he just wrecked it.
Seriously, what the heck did I do? Everything was fine until that princess started coming in and flirting with her. I mean, seriously, who does he think he is? You know what, man? You mess with me, I mess with you. I'll be back.
This sucks. What was this? What was any of this?
Alright, everybody. This is the scene where I fly up using green screen to save Evangeline. I think she's over there. Anyway, someone finish her makeup. It doesn't look quite finished. And,
Seriously,
someone
bro?
get me my glasses. I can't see
You're wearing
anything.
green on
Hello,
a green screen.
Anton. Yes,
You can't
okay.
wear green on a
I can't
green
see a thing. I can't tell what color I'm wearing.
You know what shirt you put on this morning.
Not really, no.
Then you're an idiot.
Chill, man.
You're wearing green too. You have no excuse.
You are overly
Hey,
aggravated.
shut up. Get out of
Go
here.
away,
Go
please.
away.
Please, I'm trying to
Go
handle this
away.
calmly. Please, you get overly aggravated at everything. It's really annoying. Please get that off my face. And, what is that? What is my? Someone hand me my glasses. I'm really getting fed up with all the immaturity on the set. When I decided to become the youngest director ever, I didn't really take into account all the possible things that could go wrong. I just sort of thought, Evangeline.
Personally, I'm appalled by the level of incompetence in this crew. If it were up to me, I wouldn't let these man-children be in this industry. My daddy paid a lot of money for me to get this gig, and I'm not about to let some stupid boys ruin my chances at being famous.
Well, everything's coming together. Things are happening. I think we might be able to actually put a film together. This is good. This is really good. Alright guys, you're doing great. I just gotta take this. 1 second. Yeah? Hello? Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Wait, what? You're shutting us down? Because we're over budget. Over budget on the budget that didn't exist. Okay. Uh-huh. Can we have one more day? Please? We can get it to you at the end of the 11 o'clock p.m. hour as of tonight. Uh-huh. Okay, thank you. Oh, okay, you hung up. Well, alright, we really gotta hustle up because we only have till the end of tonight. So, we gotta do stuff fast. Yay! Thank you, finally, someone claps.
You know, since I only have 1 day left to win Evangeline over, I gotta take down that dweeb. Ain't no street punk gonna take my girl. No, sir.
Oh, I just realized. I only have 1 more day left to win Evangeline over. I can do this. I will do this.
Oh, hey Toots. Wanna see my muscles?
Originally, babies in America were swaddled in pink if they were a boy and blue if they were a girl, but somehow that got changed around. I don't know why. Okay, bye.
Hey babe, see all this meat on me? You know you want it.
I brought you an orange!
Hey babe.
I'm here, Dad. Hold on.
Please!
This is ridiculous. I have a boyfriend.
What?
Okay? I have a boyfriend. Just move. Let's go. I'm done.
Crap baskets.
Alright, guys, thank you very much. I think we finished. We're gonna have film. Hopefully, I think our camera guy figured out how to turn on the camera at some point. So the microphone should have captured some audio. We should have some form of color film, hopefully. And the editors that I hired, probably for under minimum wage, can scrape together the bare scraps of the crushed bones of the dead tortoise of film that we have and mold it into the beautiful unicorn of the movie that I had envisioned. And thank you all for putting together your worst effort possible. I really don't appreciate it. Just go home. You've drained me. I'm dead inside. I hate you all. Go home. Really. I can't even do math anymore. Just go home. Now, go home.
Will you stop that?
Cállate, te quiero sola! I'm gonna go. And so ends our tale. The moral of the story is to beware of the dangers of love and not to let them distract you from what's really important in life.
Life. What is life? Life is pain. Life is destruction. Life is the endless, desolate wasteland of hatred and loneliness. In all my days, I have never experienced anything that could make life worth it. I don't see the point. All these wasted opportunities. Wasted. 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 Life is just the pointless space of time between nothingness and death.